Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing this bots break right here. I've done it before, but I had these other two displayed because the same manufacturer who made this bots also made this one, which is called No Doubt of Getting Wet and Bust on the Sweetness. Plus, they also did another bots that I didn't buy because it was during the time that I wasn't buying any waifu cards, but it's like a purple bots. But I'm going to be doing this bots right here. This is called Hot Girl Existing in Your Fantasy. Or there's another name for like Yisisantan or something like that. So let's go ahead and open this up. I've done this before, so you can see the other video. So let's open it up so it won't be a long video. I've already done all these boxes. But I'll be doing the next 3 days. I'll be doing these 3 boxes. I think I have only one more of these boxes. I sold a few of them on eBay and they sold quick, guys. I put 2 of them up for 40 bucks and they sold like that. And I put another one for 45 and it sold. And I put one for 50 and it sold like right away. So this is a very spicy box. These, as you can see right here, these are the cards that we got from the first bots. This was our hit. Our hit was a metal card. Let me go ahead and like this. So this was our hit card. A metal card was in our bonus or our hit pack. And it's not numbered. It's not like serial number, but it does have a set number. But you can get cards like this. This is like the YG. If it features girls like in outfits, like they're working out. So you get like a few of those, like maybe 4 of those. You get a whole bunch of these. I think we got like 10 of these. This is kind of like their base card, SP. It's got that foil or that rainbow shine to it. You get 2 of these cards. These are the B. I think these are the BR. And then you get 2 of these. These are acrylic cards. And these are the SW. So you get 2 of these. And you get 2 of these. These are the BF. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this spots here. So there are the packs. Beautiful bots. From the inside is just plain magnetic bots. Okay, and here's our hit. Oh my goodness, I hope it's not another, what do you call it? I hope it's not a car. It feels like a car freshener. Anyway, so here's the packs. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we actually got this one in the first box. This is a SP. And this is, we get 2 of these, so we got this one already right now. So this is, didn't get this one in the first box. This is the BR. Very nice. Okay. We should get 10 of those right there. Let's pack. SP. Ooh, this one's backwards. And this is the BF. So you get 2 of the BFs. We didn't get this one in the first one, in the first box. It's got like a matte look to it with some nice foil shine. Okay, let's pack. We got our base card, the SP. And then we have a BF. And we get 2 of these. So this is our last one. Very nice. Okay. Look at, oh, I was gonna say this feels weird, but they're just 2 packs together. Got our base card, SP. Very nice. And then we got the girls were like, they look like they're in a gym outfit. The YG, like they're working out or something. And you get like 4 of these. Okay, very cool. So that's our first one. So looking for 3 more of those. SP. And another YG. Is this Raiden Shogun? I think it might be. Yep. Okay, let's pack. We got J Miko, SP. And then we got this one, and this is a YG. YG. Hu Tao. Where's her little ghost? I don't see Hu Tao's little ghost. Okay, I like this one with Hu Tao. All right, let's pack. So we're still missing our 2 acrylic cards and another of the BRs. So I got a base, SP. And another YG. And we should get 4 of these YGs. So we got 1, 2, I think we got our 4. So we need the 2 acrylic cards and 1 of these. Okay, so 1 of the BRs and 2 acrylic. So there's our SP. So there's an SP like in every pack. And here's our acrylic card. As you can see how shiny it is from the back. See how it moves with the light. Oh, nice. Spicy. SW. Very, very nice. Yeah, so you get 2 of these per bots. Very cool. All right, so we need 1 more of those and 1 of the BPs. Or BRs, I mean. So an SP. And here's our second acrylic card. Let's hope it's a spicy one. And this is the one we got. I'm not sure who the girl is. I wonder, you know, I never know, I didn't test this out if there is a peel off. I never checked if there was one or not. But this company is known for pulling peels, having peel off cards. But I'm not gonna test it out right now. But there it is, beautiful card. All right, so we need 1 of these and then our hit pack. I think we got this one in the first spots. SP. And here is our BR. BR13. So, and now we have our hit, and I think it might be a air freshener or car freshener. So here's our hit pack. Oh no, it's not. What is this? It's a chain. Oh my goodness, I've never seen nothing like this. But you can take this chain and put it like that, I guess. Or you can make her look like she's chained up. So, yeah. So there's a couple of ways you can use this chain. But there it is. This is number 11. All chained up. Oh, look, you can actually take it, wear it around your neck or something, because it has a thing right there for the neck, or for the, yeah. So we'll just leave it like this, the way it came. Interesting card. And it's got a blue stock. And it's not numbered, but very interesting. So there you have it, guys. These were our hits so far. Man, I have one more box, but I'm selling it in a lot. I don't know if I want to open it up or sell it. Anyways, there you have it, guys. That's the bots break. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing this one, Bust on the Sweetness Nets, and then after this one, we'll do the newest product that they have out. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. All right, see you guys. God bless.